those of you that are new, this is just a series dedicated to you guys as a way of me showing thank you for all of your support. And all you have to do is be subscribed and leave a random comment down below. I feel like a game show host every time I say that. But this unit is from My First Wig. She is a nice bob unit, and we all know that My First Wigs come with the elastic band now, and the unit looks on my head before I do anything to it, and with the lace still attached. And because I'm not at home and I left my pressing comb there, I'm going to go ahead and use my flat irons to set my part. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Lotta Body foam wrap and spray it over the parting area, and then go over that with the back of my flat iron, kind of pushing it down in place to set the part and to kind of get the roots to lay a little bit flatter. Because I'm going with the no baby hair look, I'm going to take a little bit of my Lovely Beast edge control and just smooth this all over the edges before I cut off the lace, just because when I do this, it just makes the application process a little bit neater. You know how sometimes the hairs in the front fly all over the place and get caught in whatever adhesive you're using? If you slick them back first, it'll keep that from happening and make the application process way easier and mess free. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace. I like to cut as close to the knots as possible, and then we'll go from there. So originally I was going to do this as a glueless unit, because as you guys can see, when I put it on just with the elastic band, it looked so good, but I kind of wanted to have some hold to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the freeze spray. I have a detailed video on using this and a few other adhesives that I'll leave down below for you guys, but this is just a quick one. That's why I sped through it, and this one lasts about 1 or 2 days if you're really careful and if you don't get it wet or like sweat too much, and this is perfect for that. So that's why I did this.